Today's DIY is inspired by the Cameroonian Juju hats made by the Bamidele people in West Africa. And so these hats are ceremonial in their origin, but over here in the West we use them as home decor because they are so beautiful. For this project, I'm using a 10-inch cake cardboard round that I got from Joann's Fabrics, as well as 2.5 yards of feather trim that I also got from Joann's Fabrics. As you will see in this tutorial, the making of this feather hat or the Juju hat is very simple. All you need is a round circle of your choosing and enough feathers to cover the circle, and the glue of your choice, and you just repeat the process of putting the feathers in layers to make it look full. And I just really love how some of the simple projects are sometimes the nicest ones. So at this point, it's probably around a 4 or 6 inch circle in the center. So if you're interested, you can always put like a mirror or cowrie shells or some other decorative something for the center. And of course, I had to fight the resistance to put cowrie shells in there, but I wanted to be true to a traditional Juju hat. So I just continued with feathers. But if you want to add something in the center, you can go ahead and feel free to do that. So here is my version of a DIY Cameroonian Juju hat from start to finish. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave me a comment below. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. And I thank you all for taking the time for watching my video.